Hello viewers, and for you today I have a coin from Western Samoa. This is a commemorative coin for the 250th anniversary of Jacob Roggeveen's discovery of Samoa. I'll take it out of the case here so we can see it a little bit better. At least I'll try to. So here is the reverse, and it has two 18th century ships sailing to the left with a map of the two biggest islands of Western Samoa in the background. So up here in the corner has the two western islands of Samoa in the background there. It has discovery of Samoa on the bottom there, June of 1722. It has Jacob Roggeveen's Pacific Voyage on the top. And I'll show you the other side now. I'll show you the obverse actually. This is the obverse. It says Samoa e Sisifo, which is Samoan for Western Samoa, 1972, $1 denomination. And in that little banner below the crest, where it says Fave I La Atua Samoa, that translated means God be the foundation of Samoa. This is a 1 Tala coin. It's made of copper and nickel. It has a weight of 27.7 grams. It is a diameter of 38.8 millimeters, a thickness of 2 millimeters, and the shape is round and the edge is plain. This coin is valued at approximately $10. So we'll put it back in the case there, and overall a really nice coin. I got that coin as part of another coin set a while back. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment below. And thank you for watching.